In today's video, I am going to teach you how to create a cash flow forecast using Google Sheets. The goal is to use a built-in budget template so you can track money coming in, money going out, and see a forecasted ending balance based on what you enter. Start by opening Google Sheets in your browser. Once you are on the main Sheets page, go to the top left and click File. Then choose New and then select Template Gallery. This is where Google keeps ready-made spreadsheets, including budget templates that work well for cash flow forecasting. In the template gallery, scroll until you see the Personal section. From here, choose either monthly budget or annual business budget. Pick the one that matches the time period you want to forecast. Monthly budget is great for short-term visibility, and annual business budget is better if you want a longer horizon. After the template opens, go to the Summary tab. This page is designed to roll everything up into totals and balances. Look for the cell that is labeled Starting Balance and enter your starting balance there. In many versions of this template, the starting balance is in cell L8, but the most important thing is that you type your number into the designated starting balance field. This starting balance is the foundation of your forecast, so use the amount that reflects the cash you have on hand at the beginning of the period you are tracking. Next, switch to the Transactions tab. This is where the forecast gets its data. Begin entering your income items to capture inflows. For each income entry, fill in the date, the amount, and the category. Use clear categories that you will recognize later, because categories help the summary calculate totals accurately. Then enter your expense items to capture outflows. Just like income, include the date, the amount, and the category. A helpful tip is to enter transactions as they occur, or at least keep them in date order, so your cash flow picture stays consistent and easy to review. Once you have added your income and expenses, return to the Summary tab. Here you will see the ending balance update automatically. This ending balance is your cash flow forecast, based on your starting balance plus inflows minus outflows. That covers everything you need to know.